Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's I have video how to delete app from Launchpad. Sometimes if you're having trouble with delete app from Launchpad, I will show you two methods. Then you can follow any method you can delete app from Launchpad. Alright guys, now I am in my Launchpad. So I want to delete example brother update tool. Then I'm going to click on the right click, but it doesn't work. Then I click and hold it. You can see that jiggling, but it's not access to delete. So you can see that Microsoft Excel I can get the access for delete, and a video pad also I can get the access, but any other app I cannot get the access. So in that case, how can you delete? Then I show you first method. Going to find, then click on that application. You can see that all the app which one you want to delete. In this case I cannot see brother tools app. So if you can find that application, then you can go to a search bar, then type in whatever app you want to delete. So in this case I want to delete brother tools app. I'm going to type in, will pop up brother update tool app. So what are you going to do? I'm going to right click, then you can move to trash. Okay, that's the first method. Then I'll show you a second method. Go to exit. Okay guys, I will show you a second method. You can go to upper left corner, that icon, Apple icon, click that icon, then select the above this Mac. Okay, go on to page, then you can select the storage, click that storage. Okay, then going to click manage. Okay, then you have to click that application. Okay, now you can see that brother update tool. So what are you gonna do? Then you can right click and delete. Okay, right now I want to delete this one. I don't need that brother update tool. I'm going to delete. Okay, then asking, are you sure want to delete app? Then I delete. Alright guys, I already show you two method how to delete app from Launchpad. That's the way how to delete the app from Launchpad. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.